I do believe that the military is a resource for untapped talent as far as manufacturing environment. You can take the simplest skills that we learn in basic training and apply it to the manufacturing environment. One thing that was pretty good about being in the military is the ability to basically adapt, think for yourself, problem solve. When it comes to the problem solving skills that I learned, you get a blueprint and it's basically that. You're actually problem solving the entire process that you're going through. You're programming the part, you're figuring out how to take that raw piece of material and turn it into a finished part. And that's something that was key as far as being in the military and learning how to problem solve almost any situation. Yeah, just for me, as far as technical skills that I was able to bring forward, a lot of the attention to detail and basically being able to be in a meticulous environment and making sure that that transferred to anything you were manufacturing. Okay, so there are a lot of different programs as far as like helping veterans out and sending them to school. I was able to utilize my Montgomery GI Bill, and what that allowed me to do was not only help pay for my classes, but it also helped pay for my wife and my family's housing while I was going to school for basically about 4 years. So it's another incentive as far as veterans to be able to go in if they need some assistance with their housing while they're going to school, their books, their tuition while they're going to school, then an apprenticeship is actually covered under that program. So it's something that can help push them forward. And as far as the employers, it can also take a lot of stress off the employers, because if they're covering tuition, well, now they don't have to cover books. Now they don't have to worry about, okay, well, if I'm starting this person from the bottom, are they gonna have the financial assistance that they need while they're going to school and starting from scratch? Well, that program actually helps the veteran while they're going to school. I was to step outside and start my own shop tomorrow, I would be kicking myself if I wasn't automatically looking for veterans, if I was looking for people who had little to no experience, just for the fact that you can put them in almost any situation. They're already adaptable as far as being around a diverse group of people. They can take anything that you give them normally, throw and get some hands-on experience and just run with it. They're going to be able to demonstrate leadership experience. So as you grow them in their company, they're going to take and grow your company for you.